something fast here. Goodbye to you and your untruths. My heart was yours for the taking. Goodbye to you, we're done and through, and our lives are breaking. Goodbye to you, and all you do is hate me. Goodbye to you, what we've been through. I always thought we would make it. I always thought we would. I always thought we would make it. Goodbye to you, don't need to prove. Your deception made me feel forsaken. Goodbye to you and your untruths. It was love we should have been making. Goodbye to you, and all you do is hate me. Goodbye to you, what we've been through. I really thought we'd make it. I thought we would. I thought we would make it. Goodbye to you. I can't live a lie when all you do is hate me. Goodbye to you, and all you do, you made me feel forsaken. Goodbye to you, and all you do is hate me. You make me feel forsaken. But I really thought we would make it. I thought we would. I thought we would make it. Maybe it should have a beat. I thought we would. I really thought we would make it. I thought we would. All you do is hate me. All you do is hate me. But I really thought we'd make it. All right, probably sounded like let's not forget, sometimes songs seem so disposable these days, and I know I've probably said it before. If you know me, you've heard me say this. The songs live on, man. You can get lost in the performers and the artistry, but it's the songs that live on. Even if people don't know who sang them or it was my song, I hope mine live on, or even just one of my songs live on. That's a beautiful thing. If you're a songwriter, I hope your songs live on. If we was all here jamming out together and one of us come up with something, or maybe you're like, ooh, mams, I want to add something to that. It's servicing the song and letting the song live on. So, this is just coming up with something on the fly, so I don't know if this is so much a song, but you know what I'm saying. Let's not forget these beautiful songs. That's what makes us feel. It's not just the people. And of course, they are our songs. They're like our children, so we're part of that. But again, it's easy to get lost in the messenger and not the messages. But thank you guys for sharing your moment with me. You can let me know if this is... I don't know if you can type that in the comment. You can type that. You should be able to. Thank you guys. Bye, everybody.